Hey everyone, Professor Baldwin here, and today we have a word problem. And this word problem should look kind of familiar because it's a boat problem. Since we know we have a boat problem, start by drawing your pictures. You know that your boat's going to go upstream and downstream. And if it's going upstream, the stream is going one direction and the boat is going the opposite. And we know that the speed or the rate for that boat is going to be B minus S. Now, let's look at downstream. That means the stream and the boat go in the exact same direction. So the rate for that boat is the boat speed plus the stream speed. Now we can read the problem and fill in all of the other information. So a boat can travel 36 miles upstream. Well, that's the distance for going upstream. So distance equals 36. And it can do this in the same time. Okay, so time is going to be the same. That's a good hint. So the same time that it can travel 54 miles downstream. So we know the distance downstream is going to be 54. And lastly, we're told that the current, or the speed of the stream, is 3 miles per hour. Well, that tells us that the rate when we're going upstream will be B minus 3, and the rate downstream will be B plus 3. We're just substituting the 3 in for our stream speed. Now, let's use this T is the same. If we take our distance rate time formula, D equals R times T, and solve it for time, we get time equals distance divided by rate. And since the time is the same for these two different directions, we're going to set the distance over the rate equal. So upstream is 36 over B minus 3. That's the time to travel upstream because time is distance over rate. And the time to travel downstream is going to be 54, the distance, divided by B plus 3. And we know that the time for each of these trips is equal, so these two rational expressions must be equal. And since we have a rational expression equal to a rational expression, we can cross multiply. So we have 54 times B minus 3 equals 36 times B plus 3. Let's distribute. We have 54B minus 162 equals 36B plus 108. Let's subtract the 36B from both sides so that we have our B's together. That'll give us 18B minus 162 equals 108. Now we want to add the 162 to both sides. And we get 18B equals 270. So if 18B equals 270, we divide by 18 to get that B equals 15. And if you remember from the problem, the current was in miles per hour, so then our boat speed is also going to be in miles per hour. So our boat without the current is going 15 miles per hour.